Hi, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can turn on dark mode on Google Docs so you can see the document editor to look like this. But if you actually go to Google Docs and check on all the menus, you won't see anything regarding to turn on the dark mode. So how do we solve that problem? Luckily, we can use a third-party Chrome extension to achieve that, and there are plenty of good options. So here are some of my favorites. The first extension is called Dark Reader. So this is a very popular Chrome extension that will turn any web page, not just Google Docs, to a dark mode. So just go ahead and click Add to Chrome and click Add Extension. By the way, I provide a link in the video description as well, so you can click on that. After that, you can close this page and go back to Google Docs. And you can turn on the extension, but it usually will turn on automatically. So you will see the document editor to look like this, and everything looks great. Just remember that this is only the apparent view of the document. Of course, the paper is not going to turn on dark like this, so you don't have to worry about the document using too much black ink when you print the document. But you might have noticed that this image is actually being inverted in color. If you go to the extension menu and check on the setting and disable the feature, disable dark mode, you will see that the image is actually being inverted. So this is not going to be affected when you print or transfer a document, just to be clear. But if you're not feeling comfortable with the image that is changing the color, I have another solution. So another alternative plugin that you can use is called Google Docs Dark Mode. So this is not as popular, but yeah, with 600,000 users, it's actually pretty good. So just go ahead and click Add to Chrome, click Add Extension, and wait until the installation process finishes. Okay, now let's go back to Google Docs, and I'm going to refresh the page. Alright, so this is the dark mode based on that extension. And you can see that the color of the paper of the document stays the same alongside with the image. If you actually go to this menu, you will see that option. You can make the paper to look black as well, and it will also affect the image, or you can also just turn on dark mode for the whole editor, but not the document itself. So yeah, these two are the best option to turn on dark mode in Google Docs. But if you're using Microsoft Word, you can check out this video to learn more about how to turn on dark mode on that program. And I'll see you on that video.